remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may not use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. Laptop computers may not be used at this time. As you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check around your seat, the overhead bins, and the floor area for any personal articles you may have brought on board. We invite you to visit Delta.com for your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. Once you're at the gate, keep the plane comfortable during the planing and for our next flight. If there's an air vent above your seat, we ask that you open it, and please also lower the window shades. On behalf of Delta and our Sky team and codeshare partners, thank you for flying with us. We enjoyed having you on board and look forward to serving you again soon. Thank you and have a great afternoon.